Alright guys, just wanted to share a quick video with you. Got a 1963 W200 Dodge Power Wagon bed, and I got rid of the chain and latch on the back, cleaned all that up. This poor rascal had a handle welded on right here, so I got rid of that and had to do some modifications to the hinges because of course it didn't have any. But I took the latches out of a 94 Dodge 2500 tailgate and slightly modified them and installed them in there like so. I had to weld a little bolt head on here to give me a little better grip to be able to unlatch it, but it worked like a champ. It fit in there wonderfully. Not the perfect metal fabrication, but it'll work. I had to cut this flange that extends all the way down this one side to allow for the cable to fold in there. But works great. Couldn't be more proud of that. It's not going to be and never probably will be a show truck, but man, you catch those little latches and it opens right up. Works like a champ.